Please stop crying. It's just a phone.
But it's broken.
Watch your step, hot soup coming through. I'll take 3 of those chicken skewers right here.
This is outrageous. I am not paying that much.
Fresh spices here. Best price in the market. Come and see.
Fresh spices. Best price right here.
Move this immediately. You are blocking the road.
You can't catch me.
Don't tell me to calm down. This is completely unacceptable, and I am done dealing with your excuses.
I told you this was unacceptable. How dare you sell this here? This is the last time I tolerate this behavior in the market. Move your stall now.